At St Benedict's, we are proud to offer an education that blends tradition with innovation, rooted in Benedictine values while preparing our pupils for the future. Our pupils achieve excellent GCSE and A-level results and go on to leading universities across the UK and beyond. This success comes from the breadth of our curriculum, small class sizes, and a personalised approach to learning. Through our high-performance learning programme, every pupil is encouraged to think deeply, act creatively, and aim high. Pastoral care is at the heart of St Benedict's. Our award-winning system ensures that each child is known, valued, and supported, enabling them to flourish both inside and outside the classroom. Beyond the academic, St Benedict's offers a vibrant co-curricular life. From sport, music and drama to art, the Combined Cadet Force Duke of Edinburgh Award, and opportunities to engage with the local community where pupils develop resilience, leadership and friendships that last a lifetime. Our goal is to nurture confident, independent young people who are ready for the challenges of their next chapters, whether that be transitioning to secondary school, sixth form, university and life beyond school. St Benedict's is more than just a school. It's a community. Inclusive and welcoming, we work in partnership with families, and our pupils benefit from the unique opportunities of being part of a through school from nursery to sixth form. This is the St Benedict's education: academic excellence, outstanding pastoral care, and a community where every child can thrive.